Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So it's 15th of December. It's morning and I just made myself some protein shake, and to be honest, this was the last bit left for me today. So I do drink my shake every day, doesn't matter like I'm doing workout that day or not, but I'm taking my protein, and you all know which one I'm taking. If not, then you can follow me on other social media to see. I do post stories there, and also I posted a video here, I think few times already, where I shared everything I eat in a day. So I thought of like just sharing this day with you all. So in the morning, like when I woke up, I ordered some things from Chemist Warehouse, which I will be going to pick it up. Now it's ready to be collected in just 1 hour. And also I think I'm going to go to Coles to pick up few things because my cat's food is running out, so I need some. And yeah, I don't know what else I'm going to share. And yesterday's blog will be up before this video because I have to edit yesterday's blog. I did film a blog yesterday, and I am like kind of filming blogs every day nowadays. I think I started again, so yeah, do subscribe. So yeah, I am back. We had some snack, got some, what you call that, donuts. I don't know, I am literally forgetting everything. So got that cinnamon donuts from Coles. It was so yummy, and made me some coffee, which I'm still having. So I did click and collect from Coles, and literally Westfield parking was full. Even people parked on the click and collect parking. Literally we had to like wait on the road to get our order. And like the girl who brought the order, she said like she has been doing this and the parking was full, taken by other people. So yeah, she said she has complained. So yeah, like it's almost Christmas, so everyone is rushing. And I got some things from Chemist Warehouse, which I'm going to share with you all in this video, because from tomorrow I'm going to use these things. And I was running out of my protein powder, which I love so much. And like literally I also got some more stuff which will go under the Christmas tree. Okay, I have to run, so I'm not going to share. You should definitely watch my Christmas vlog. Okay, I think I will share some things in there. So now yeah, first thing is my favorite shred and bend protein to build lean muscle. So I have tried so many of protein powders, but like this one is really good. If you want something like this, you should definitely try this one. This has 22 grams of protein, and there is lots of other proteins available. Even have plant-based too, but I was drinking like plant-based protein powders, but I couldn't see much difference, so I thought no, I will just go back to my Musashi shred and bend, because this is really good. I'm loving it. And like this was around like $100 or a little bit over $100, because like it's a big 2 kg bottle, plastic bottle, I don't know what you say. The next thing I got is this, which I'm always sharing it on my social media, like on stories, is this Hydrolite, and they come in like lime flavor too, but I got this in orange flavor. I think orange, it is orange, it's written here orange, can't see it, I'm blind. So it's Hydrolite Sports orange flavored electrolyte powder, and it's high in electrolyte and low in sugar, and you can just drink before, during, or like after workout. Dehydration, electrolytes, minerals, hypotonic formula. Hydrate before, during, after exercise. Helps restore body electrolyte balance, relieves muscle cramps and symptoms of dehydration, helps enhance exercise performance, which is true, like it does. Okay, so that's why I'm loving it. Like I use lots of pre-workout drinks, but I don't like any of that. I don't even like take pre-workout energy drinks or anything. I just drink this one, and I take my Musashi 40 minutes or 30 minutes before my workout. It's really good. That's why I'm saying, okay, that's what I'm taking it, but we all are different. And the next thing I got is this one, Maltopha tablets. The doctor recommended me once this one, but like I am like okay now, my iron is okay, but like I got this one just because sometimes we need it, especially Isha needs it, so I got that for her. It's an iron tablet. And I got some of this, I think 1 2 3 4 5 pack of Zoom energy. Okay, I always take this before my workout, but yeah, sometimes I chew this all the way while walking. So this is really good. It has like 10 pieces of gum, and it's sugar free with caffeine, guarana and B vitamins. Okay, so it's really good, and it's around $5 in chemistry house. And like literally I searched in so many chemistry house, and this is the one I got these products. I always get my things from Pimpama, not anywhere around, like they have it all the time. So yeah, I'm going to go chop my chicken, and I'm going to make some dinner because my son didn't eat anything today. He went to work, so I have to make him some nice yummy food. Jelly, hello, look, she's running, look, go catch. She's catching every moving things.
Just catching it before we feel filming.
Yeah, it's so hot, and finally we found the remote of our aircon. Literally, I think it will thunderstorm soon. It will rain soon. It's cool now, Simba. Okay, so I'm making some food. Got some chicken curry, and also I'm making some for kids, like some sweet chili chicken, and also some brown rice is here, almost done. What is there? Hey? Oh, it's so good. She knows aircon is on, so That's why she's sitting there. So cold here. Wow. It's cool. That's why you're sitting here. Hey, Jill.
She's looking at it.
Oh, it's open. That's why she thinks something will come out from there. Okay. Don't drop the juice, please. Okay, sweet chili chicken is done. Just adding a little bit of coriander on top. I just used chicken breast here and some of this sweet chili sauce with lots of ginger, garlic, onion and paprika powder. That's it, and salt. Okay, so this is done too. I have added lots of spices in here, hardi masala and like turmeric powder, coriander powder and lots of spice, and just gonna be adding a little bit of coriander, then it will be done. So this is chicken curry. Literally, I'm so tired. I've been like filming since morning, and yeah, I just received my Bella box now, and I'm going to share it. And yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you liked it, and do subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And until next time, bye.